Okay, the unboxing. The unboxing of the DJI Neo 2. Let's see what we have here. Fly more combo kit. And there she is. Oh, there's the antenna. Okay. Okay. Because I have the original one. And I've been really excited that this one is out. Look at all the differences. There's lots to learn. I have the goggles. And Neo 1. Cool. Extra batteries. And the remote. So I did the, whatever this thing is called. Let's see. I forget what remote this is or what it's called. I did not have it on the first one. Whoa, turned it on. I did not have it on the first one or the Avata 2. Well, I guess you can't use it on the Avata 2, but so I ramble. Crazy. So this is going to be interesting. Pretty neat though. I'll put it in the air soon. Wait for it to turn on, GG. I know it's taking forever. I'm trying to activate the new DJI Neo 2. Not even for sale in America yet, but I got it on eBay already. And here it is. No tariffs or anything, GG. For almost half the money, 550 bucks for the fly combo thing. And I saw it whenever it does get to America in a couple of weeks. It's going to be for like $1,000 for the same thing. We're good. We took a chance. It seems to be okay. Those are American words. I was worried it was going to be in Chinese mode or something, but everything seems good. Oh. More. You're not helping the firmware go any faster By being a crazy monster. Yeah, crazy one. This thing's still going on. 76%. Pretty cool. This thing works pretty well, Jedi. I like it.